I want you to click the Kinsta link I have put at the very top of the description. I am asking you to do this because your website is currently stuck in traffic. Even if your server is fast, the road your data travels on is congested. So open that link, look for Google Cloud Platform, and let's talk about the fast lane. Here is how the public internet actually works. When a user visits your site, their request doesn't go in a straight line. It bounces around. It hops from their ISP to a cheap exchange in Chicago, to a budget router in London, and finally to your server. Every hop adds delay. Every hop is a chance for data to get stuck behind a Netflix binge or a massive file download. Most hosting companies use this standard tier network because it is cheap. They put your business on the back roads with everyone else. This is why I host on Kinsta. Go back to that link I told you to open. Kinsta pays extra to use Google's premium tier network. This is a game changer. When a user clicks your link, their request enters Google's private fiber optic network almost immediately. It doesn't bounce around the dirty public internet. It travels on a dedicated, private highway that Google built specifically for speed. It skips the traffic jams. It skips the cheap routers. It takes the shortest, cleanest path from the user to the server. I tested this with a client who had customers in Brazil and a server in New York. On his old host standard network, the latency was 200 milliseconds because the data was bouncing all over South America before going north. We moved him to Kinsta Premium Network. The latency dropped to 80 milliseconds. We didn't move the server, we just changed the road. His site felt twice as fast to his customers, simply because the data stopped hitting red lights. If you are building a serious business, stop driving in rush hour traffic. Pay the toll and get on the highway. Click the Kinsta link in the description. Get the premium tier. Click the link, bypass the congestion, and deliver your data instantly.